What's up, guys? Today you're about to learn how to read minds. So we're going to go through the cards just like this, and go through the cards. Wait, you want to stop right there? A little bit more, a little bit more. Stop. You sure? All right. Remember your card. You have it. Don't forget it. I can't see nothing. Got it? Put it right on top of the deck, and 3, 2, 1. Now it's lost into the shuffle. Now I'm going to read your mind. So you picked a card. You know, it could have been any card 1 through 10. It could have been, you know, an ace, king, queen, jack. Could even been the Joker, but I don't think it was a Joker. And honestly, I don't think it was a card 1 through 10. And I feel like it was a card that was in the hearts. Like the King of Hearts. Wait a minute. The Queen of Hearts? Wait, you picked the Queen of Hearts. I just read your mind. So how to do this trick is you need the Queen of Hearts on top of the deck, just like this. Put it on top of the deck, or you can use any card, your favorite card even. And what you want to do is, this is trick is called the slip force. You hold the deck cards just like this, and then put your index finger or your pointer finger on the bottom of the deck, so it looks like this, so you can kind of get little, you know, pressure on the cards, and use your thumb, go through the cards just like this, and whenever they say stop, or let's go a little bit more, stop. What you want to do is take the cards, hold this card kind of tight, so when you pick up the cards, this card kind of stays here. So let's go through that one more time. Go through the cards, stop, kind of lift up, don't take that card, show them the top card, the Queen of Hearts. You got it? And you can even lose it into the middle of the deck. Whoops, I dropped that card. And wait a minute, I still dropped it. It didn't go on the deck. That's funny. Now, you can mind read. You can go like, okay, you picked a card, right? You picked a card. Could have been your favorite card. And then you just start making up a bunch of random stuff about, you know, you can pick a card 1 through 10, which is really good. Or you can just make up a whole bunch of stuff, even though they can pick that type of card. Just make up a whole bunch of stuff. And then just throw in, you picked a Queen of Hearts, didn't you? Or you can even have like a prediction, like in your pocket, like a piece of paper that is written down the Queen of Hearts. You can even like take a picture with the card, like before you do the trick. Take a selfie with it, and they can see the timestamp that you did like a few minutes before, and just completely blow their mind. You can do anything, and I will let you know, this trick will blow someone's mind. It will blow their mind. They're like, boom! Because it's so cool. I mean, it really feels like in the moment that you really are reading someone's mind. And it's just like, what in the world? How did you know that? Only I saw the card, or, you know, other people around you seeing the trick, or you're doing, you know, the trick to a group of people, or just one person, whatever. They're gonna be like, what in the world? How did you know that? And be like, I'm a mind reader. I just picked a card for you. No, I mean, don't tell them what you did, but be like, I'm a mind reader. What's your number? Anyways, hit the subscribe button. If you're new, leave a like, comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And also, if you want to be entered in a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe, leave a like, turn on post notifications, and comment down below. And I will see you in my next video. And keep loving magic, and always remember, you're awesome, and I'm out. See you next time.